Welcome back. My name's Juana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would talk to you about cryptocurrency. Now, this is something that we've been toying with for over a year now, and I thought it's an interesting investment to make. Now, I have no financial, degrees. I'm not a financial advisor in no way whatsoever. This is purely our own experience and just an idea. Maybe some of you might find interesting, but please do a lot of research with this because you can have a lot of gain, but you can have a lot of losses as well. So what is cryptocurrency? I'm not going to go through the whole length of explanation because it's quite difficult and half of it I don't even understand myself. But the idea is that it's digital money, right? So the way we have pounds, euros, dollars, there's cryptocurrency, which is digital and it's not run by any banks, right? It's made from people for the people type of thing. Cryptocurrency was created in 2008 and the first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin started at a value of $0.00, and now I'm looking at my screen live information. Now it's almost $50,000 for one Bitcoin, right? There are over 8,000 different cryptocurrencies out there. Some are worth peas, pennies, cents, whichever currency you want to talk in, and some are worth hundreds and obviously thousands and tens of thousands now. So why is this a good investment? Why could this be a good investment? Because it's a market that will grow. People say that maybe one day digital currency is going to be the new thing. We're not going to have any paper money anymore. Everything's going to be run by people. The banks are not going to be fully in control. And there's still value to them and they grow. The more people know, the more they grow. The more people buy cryptocurrency, the value grows. So the more we spread the word, the better it is for everybody. So if you would say today you want to buy a coin, a crypto coin that is worth 25p, the odds are that in a few years it can be worth $50 or euros, but everything's in dollars. And that's how you invest and you make your money. You know how you keep your money in a savings account and you get maybe 2-3% interest if you're lucky. I have not found a bank account to do that for me yet, but with this type of investment, you literally put 50 quid in 1 year, and then in a few months or a couple of years, you could have 1,000 or more, depending on how much that cryptocurrency goes up. Do bear in mind that there's no guarantees. They can go like this one day and they go like that the other day. It's the same with the normal currency like dollars and euros. They go up and down, but the level they go up and down is like this. With crypto is literally like this, right? So you could do trading on cryptocurrency the way you can do on Forex with normal currencies, but the risk is so much higher because it literally goes like this. So this 1 minute you could make $1,000 out of $30, and the next minute literally you could lose it all. So trading is not really something that I suggest, but investing in this is something that on the long run, it's not magic that's going to happen overnight, especially if you want to invest in a coin that just came out. But it's more or less some sort of certainty that they will grow, that this might be the thing. I mean, imagine that in 2008, nobody knew anything. Everybody thought Bitcoin was going to be a joke. Why would you even buy it? Why would you spend money on this? This will never happen. And now it's $50,000 one Bitcoin. And it's aimed to reach 1,000K at some point in the future as well. There are 8,587 different cryptocurrencies. So you do need to do your research. You do need to look at what this is, how to buy it, how to invest in it, because you are your own bank. You need to look after this, right? You have to have your own digital wallets. You need to have your own secret passwords put somewhere that nobody else knows, because you know, it's not like you can go and just take it out of a bank account. It works a bit more difficult, but it does give you the chance to actually invest in something that will grow. You know, last week, one of the coins literally just shoot up and doubled in value overnight, but you never know. Nobody saw this coming. It literally just happened. And then, you know, you woke up, your money investment doubled. But when this tends to happen, you need to expect it to kind of go down a bit as well. So you do need to do your research. But if you do want to do this, I think it's a really good idea. You know, it's an interesting investment to look at. Now, if you want to play it a bit safer, I do want to talk to you a bit about this two future coins that haven't actually become coins yet. And what you can do is you can invest your time in it, because none of them ask for any money. And then hopefully in 2 to 4 years, they're going to become real currencies, and then they will have value. One of them, it's called the Initiative Q, which is created by the same guys behind PayPal. So it is something that should be quite safe and quite certain whenever they get to the stage that it's going to become a real cryptocurrency. The only thing they ask from you is your email address and your name, and you can only do this by invitation. So I'm going to leave a link down my video. I still have a couple of invitations that I can send, but they're quite limited to just 5 people per person. But then maybe, you know, you give it to friends, friends give it to friends, and so on. And you earn some of these Qs for every person that joins. And then once this becomes live, there's the potential that every Q can become $1. So at the moment, you can have up to 10,000 Qs from referring and using your app, and asking your other friends to get the app as well, because you can all do it on the app. And then obviously you could get to a stage that you have 10,000 Qs just waiting. So then one day, maybe in 3-4 years, as I said, it does not happen overnight, I'm sorry, you could have an investment that you literally didn't have to do anything for, and it's going to be worth $10,000. Dollars, if I said pounds, dollars. The second one I want to talk to you about is called B, like a little bee. Now this comes in form of an app. You put it on your phone, and all you have to do is every day you click a button, on a little light bulb, and the little bee starts to work and creates coins, right? The Bcoin. Now again, you can only do this by invitation. So down below you will find a link. As many people as they want, they can join. You can invite your other friends as well. And this might take a couple of years or more, so 3-4 years. They said by 2024 it should become a coin, a cryptocurrency coin. But by then, think how many coins you will have, and all you have to do is touch a button once a day, and then the coins start, happening. It's called mining, but I'm just keeping it simple. They make the coins, you get coins by just pressing on that button once a day. And again, the only thing you need to give them, it's literally your name or email, or you can sign up with Facebook, I think. But you do need the invitation and a code, which you can find below. We are doing both of these things because we don't have to give them anything, and we do believe that cryptocurrency has a big future, and that it's worth looking at and investing in more than, just do it safely. Always think the money you want to invest is money you can lose. It's money you can live without. Don't put, food off your table just to invest in something just because it might be miraculous one day. Be smart and be sure and do a lot of research. It is complicated stuff, but it is worth looking at and it is part of what the future will be for sure. So I do hope that you found this useful. It is a shorter video than I usually do. If you have any questions, do let me know. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. It's very useful. It keeps me going. And if I can help with anything, just give me a shout. Yeah, thanks. Bye.